Apple Watch Ultra 3. On the other, the undisputed king of Swiss avant-garde luxury, the TAG Heuer connected Calibre E5. This isn't just a tech comparison, it's a clash of civilizations. It's the battle between disposable tech and timeless heritage. One of these is a tool for survival. The other is a statement of status. But if you have $1,500 burning a hole in your pocket, which one actually deserves to be on your wrist? Most people look at the spec sheet and make a snap judgment, but today we're going beneath the sapphire crystal to find out which side of the line you actually stand on. When you unbox an Apple Watch Ultra 3, you feel like you've been handed equipment from a SpaceX mission. It's rugged, industrial, and that aerospace-grade titanium is built to take a beating. It's unapologetically thick and tells the world you're ready for a mountain peak or a deep-sea dive. But then, you pick up the TAG Heuer E5. This isn't a gadget, it's a timepiece. TAG Heuer didn't just build a smart device. They took 160 years of history and condensed it into a digital chassis. The lugs, the brushed finish, and the mechanical feel of the crown trick your brain. For a split second, you forget there's a processor inside. The Ultra 3 is a computer you wear. The TAG Heuer E5 is a luxury watch that happens to be smart. Stare into the displays of these beasts, and the difference is clear. Apple has pushed LTPO OLED technology to the limit. It's a screen so bright it could guide a ship through a fog bank, with colors that make every notification look like a work of art. But TAG Heuer is playing a different game, the realism game. Their watch faces use proprietary rendering to mimic how light hits physical metal hands and sunray dials. From 2 feet away, nobody can tell it's a screen. It looks like a mechanical Carrera. If you value raw data and visibility in harsh sunlight, Apple wins. But if you value the aesthetic of a classic Swiss style, TAG Heuer is in a league of its own. Under the hood, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is powered by the S-Series silicon, a chip so powerful it's frankly overkill. It handles multitasking, Siri, and complex mapping without a hiccup, acting as a perfect extension of your iPhone and AirPods. The TAG Heuer E5 runs the latest Wear OS, tailored specifically for luxury. It's snappy and smooth, but it's focused. TAG Heuer knows you aren't going to edit a spreadsheet on your watch. They've optimized the performance for health tracking and elegance. It's the difference between a high-tech electric SUV and a tuned-up Porsche. One does everything. The other does the important things with incredible style. There's a myth that only the Ultra 3 is tough. While it's rated for extreme depths and freezing temperatures, the TAG Heuer E5 is built to Swiss watchmaking standards. We're talking high-grade ceramic bezels, they're virtually unscratchable, and sapphire crystals that withstand the daily grind of a high-velocity life. You might not take the TAG Heuer to the North Pole, but it will survive a decade of daily wear and still look brand new. The Ultra 3 is a tool that will eventually be replaced by a newer model, while the TAG Heuer is an investment in your personal style. Apple gives you the walled garden, the best fitness tracking, the most accurate heart rate sensors, and a life-saving health suite. There's a moral weight to the Apple Watch. It's the responsible choice. But the TAG Heuer gives you soul. It gives you the legendary TAG Heuer Golf app and custom-designed faces that reflect the heritage of racing. When you wear a TAG, you're joining a club of legends. You aren't just another person with a white rectangular slab on your wrist. You stand out. Battery life is the final reality check. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is a marathon runner, capable of going for days on a single charge. It's the first Apple Watch that actually removes battery anxiety from the equation. The TAG Heuer E5 has improved significantly, comfortably getting you through a full day and night. If you're going on a 3-day trek through the wilderness, you take the Apple. If you're flying private and heading straight to a gala, you take the TAG. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is the greatest smartwatch ever made. It makes life easier, safer, and more connected. If you want the best tech, buy the Apple. But the TAG Heuer Connected E5 is the best watch that happens to be smart. It's for the person who are. It refuses to wear a mini smartphone because they value the tradition of horology. One is a gadget you'll replace in 3 years. The other is a luxury piece that defines your look today. The Ultra 3 is the choice of the professional. The TAG Heuer E5 is the choice of the connoisseur. The question isn't which watch is better. The question is, are you a user or are you a collector? TAG Heuer has just announced the next iteration of its connected smartwatch series, one of the few Swiss entries that continue to offer a luxury segment alternative to the ever-ubiquitous Apple Watch. It's been 3 years since the E4 generation of the TAG Heuer Connected was announced, and though it might not be so in the mechanical watch world, in any consumer technology, 3 years is an eternity. So better now than never is the new Calibre E5 generation of the Connected, most notably now coming in a much more reasonably proportioned 40mm case size. While the previous iterations were all in larger sizes, having the smallest option to date is now a welcome sight. From a physical perspective, the Connected retains its familiar silhouette. Those small details like additional faceting on the lugs and reworked pushers allow anyone upgrading to feel the difference. The 45mm cases are available in either stainless steel or black DLC-coated and sandblasted titanium, both accompanied by matte black ceramic bezels featuring 5-minute markings engraved. While I had originally assumed the 40mm variants would simply be shrunken-down versions of a larger case, the smaller case size features a slightly different design, almost glassbox-like in execution. The 40mm case is offered in either polished stainless steel or a rose gold PVD option, but instead of a bezel, the sapphire crystal covers the entire front of the 40mm Connected. The bezel effect is achieved through printing silver hour markings as a ring on the underside of that fluid sapphire crystal, keeping the visual of having a bezel while making the overall appearance a bit softer. Like we've seen in generations past, a separate Golf Edition features a unique bezel with 18 markings for each hole of the course. TAG Heuer has also redesigned the interchangeable strap system, this time giving all strap options a more integrated look that sits flush with the case ends, rather than the gap seen in previous straps. A bracelet is available, but rubber, leather, and nylon fill out the extensive strap collection for personalization. Of course, like any good smartwatch, a variety of faces are included that integrate smartwatch functionality while revealing design DNA taken from TAG's Carrera, Aquaracer, and Formula One lines that on the software front, new wellness, heart rate tracking, and sleep functionality bring the Calibre E5 and its updated OS much more in line with current offerings from the likes of Apple and Garmin. The new generation supports voice calls through the integrated speaker and microphone, while much of the interface has been streamlined for better legibility. This is all a part of the brand new proprietary TAG Heuer operating system, which replaces Google's Wear OS for a new, more in-house feel. I'd venture to say that the new made for iPhone certification for the E5 is very much a part of this new update, with much better compatibility for iPhones. Battery life on the 45mm is rated at 3 days, while the 40mm supports up to 2 days. The new TAG Heuer Connected Calibre E5 starts at 1,500 Swiss francs for the 40mm on a rubber strap and 1,600 Swiss francs for the 45mm on a rubber strap. Smartwatches like the TAG Heuer Connected series are always quite interesting to me, as they strike a unique balance between the practical utility of modern smartwatches and perhaps the more timeless aesthetic of Swiss watch design. And after 3 years with no refresh, this new E5 update is long overdue. There does seem to be more than meets the eye compared to a typical incremental update for a smartwatch. The 40mm size is surely the bigger, or smaller, rather, change here, which opens up TAG's offerings to a significantly broader customer base. I actually prefer its aesthetics over the larger variant, with that smooth sapphire crystal really reminding me of what a glassbox Carrera take on a smartwatch would look like. It's a little less aggressively sporty in execution, and for that, I think a lot of people are going to like it. And though we never really go big into software around these parts, the migration FR, Google's Wear OS to a custom operating system meant for better customization as well as better compatibility with iPhone users is quite a big move, and I think it represents an impressive commitment to the platform. I suppose, in a sense, this is the smartwatch equivalent of a more in-house movement. The Connected, it looks like, is here to stay. Functions, TAG Heuer OS, with custom-built TAG Heuer apps for sports, wellness, call management, notifications, and more. Power reserve, 3 days for 45mm, 2 days for 40mm, rated in low power mode. Charging, 100% in 90 minutes. 1 day of battery life in only 40 minutes. Fast charging. Sensors, heart rate monitoring, calories, steps counter, compass, accelerometer, gyroscope, barometer, blood oxygen saturation, breathing rate, sleep tracking, heart rate variability, GNSS dual band 7 years ago. Then TAG Heuer Jean-Claude Biver told Time Plus Tide that quartz watches will be destroyed by the tsunami that is the connected watch, while also reaffirming that mechanical watches will always remain eternal. It was a classically bold Biver statement. As of recording, quartz watches are still very much around. Hell, we collaborated with TAG on a solar quartz aquaracer just last year. However, smartwatches continue to eat into the market share of traditional timepieces and are still a massive focus for TAG Heuer, with the brand having just released its 5th generation of connected smartwatches, the Calibre E5, which offers more features, a new smaller case size, and more customization than ever before.